I'm going to explain in less than 2 minutes how to set up an Iron Condor option trade. When you buy a call, you are betting that the stock or ETF will go up, and you buy a put betting that the stock or ETF will go down. And if the stock performs the way that you had hoped, you win. You're welcome. You're welcome. With an Iron Condor trade, you aren't expecting the stock to go up or down. You are betting on the stock to stay within a certain range that you choose. The way that you lose an Iron Condor trade is if the stock price ends up above or below the specified strike prices. Now, what many people find intimidating about the Iron Condor trade is that you actually set up 4 different option contracts. So here is a chart that I set up so that you can see what's going on and understand how to set up an Iron Condor. So the first thing that you need to do is set up your spread. Let's say that the stock you're looking to use is at $100 in stock price. And what you do is you sell a call above the current stock price, and then you sell a put below the current stock price. Next thing you do is you buy a call above your sell call, and then you buy a put below your sell put. And that's it. You have successfully set up an Iron Condor option trade. The nice thing is that most brokerages actually give you the option to automatically set this up, and you just go in and set the prices for your puts and calls. So if you're interested in trading the Iron Condor often, go ahead and pick a brokerage that automatically sets it up for you. But the nice thing is now that you've visualized it, you know how it works and what's going to happen when you place an Iron Condor trade. Now, as a bonus tip, when it comes to trading options, you can always sell at any time or buy back the option at any time to get out of it. Prior to expiration, you can always get out of an option trade. If you're in the green and just want to take your gains up to that point, you can always get out. And I highly recommend it, especially if you have earned as much as you'd like to out of that trade. And that is it for this video. If there are any other subjects you'd like me to explain in under 2 minutes, drop a comment below and smash that like button.